no more. Hey. Hey there, partner. Listen, are you excited about Valentine's Day? Yeah, me neither. It just feels like another marketing scam, doesn't it? Which is really sad, given that this is the holiday that we've chosen to celebrate love itself. And so to make it more special for me, I've been developing what I think is the perfect Valentine's Day gift. Pancakes, that's right. But not just any old pancakes. Very special, extra fluffy, heart-shaped pancakes that I'm thinking about calling Mr. Roybert's Fluffy LoveCakes. Registered trademark. Love to love is like a stack of pancakes. You need the right ingredients, you need the right technique, and you need the right presentation. Love isn't just Netflix and chill and James Brown on vinyl. More fundamentally, it's about chemistry. And you need the right ingredients to get the right reaction. And since we're in the kitchen, the right ingredient for us is sugar.
Sugar directly stimulates the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter that powers the brain's reward system.
Which means it's inherently rewarding. So the marketer's got something right, and I'm going to use 3 different forms of sugar: whipped cream, chocolate chips, and strawberries to create the perfect confection. A trifectionary triforce of sugary perfection. I'm also going to add some vanilla extract and lemon juice to your standard pancake recipe. And if you think, OMG, how cliche, we'll just substitute any of your favorite forms of sugar. Blueberries, blackberries, maple syrup, frosted mini wheats, go crazy. Every relationship is unique. So the right ingredients are going to be different for all of us. So use the flavors that you and your partner prefer to make it extra special for you. You know, one technique that I often forget about that helps to improve my relationships has to do with expectations. In particular, breaking them. And that's because when a reward is unexpected, it releases even more dopamine in our brains. And we all know this intuitively, right? We love being surprised, which is why pancakes make for the perfect gift, because everybody is expecting the romantic dinner.
Start your day off with a bang!
Get your partner's dopamine engine purring with a perfectly unexpected plate of Mr. Roybert's Fluffy LoveCakes. Registered trademark. Okay, this won't be a step-by-step how-to, but keep these 3 tips in mind. Tip number 1, to make things fluffy, don't overmix the batter. Love isn't homogeneous, it's rough and it's lumpy. So too your batter. Overmixing adds too much energy into the system and causes too much gluten to form and prevents the batter from rising. Tip number 2, to make things extra fluffy, separate the egg white and just beat the devil out of it. I think that's my favorite part. And then fold it back into the batter, gently. Tip number 3, love is all about heat. So preheat your pan, otherwise your first love cake will be your first regret.
Look at you. You're not a worthy symbol of my love. You make me sick.
Part of the right technique in keeping a relationship healthy is finding creative ways to surprise your partner. You gotta mix things up, right, from time to time. Add a little excitement. Because gifts that are unexpected are more rewarding. Studies show that our perception of taste is affected by presentation, because every dish contains visual clues about how it was prepared. So if something looks like it was just thrown together, right, like that Subway sandwich, it probably was. And this lowers its value in our minds before it even touches our lips. Contrast that with a well-constructed or artful plate of food. That shows that a lot of thought and care and pride was taken in the process. These increased expectations cause us to enjoy it more. It's a placebo effect. So presentation really matters. So let's show some pride in our process. While the pan is preheating, take about 14 inches of aluminum foil and fold it in half 4 times until you have a 1-inch strip. Now fold that in half the opposite direction and you have the point of the heart. Put one end inside of the other and crease it to make the inverted point of the heart, and just shape it until you're happy. Put this into the pan, spray it with cooking spray, add 1/3 cup of batter, and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Time will vary. When you flip them, they're basically done. And once you have a perfect stack of fluffy love cakes, shoot, it's time to get crazy. Here's a happy little whipped cream cloud. And if you think the strawberry should live on the plate somewhere, that's exactly where it should live. No mistakes, partner. Just happy accidents. You don't need money to demonstrate your love. All you need to do is make a little sacrifice. And the great thing about these pancakes is your partner will assume that you shed blood, sweat, and tears for them. And they'll have no idea how much fun we had making them. Shh. That'll be our little secret. So hopefully I've convinced you that love is indeed a little bit like a stack of pancakes, because you need the right ingredients, the right technique, and the right presentation. But look, I may have misled you a little bit, partner, because the best gift you can get for Valentine's is not pancakes. It's an unexpected call from someone asking you to be their Valentine. And that is a gift that all of us can afford to give. So go on, call an old friend or call your mom. They will be ecstatic. Will you be my Valentine?
Oh, that is so sweet.
And if you ask me to be your Valentine in the comments, I will reply by writing you a love poem. I think it's about time all of us started getting excited about celebrating love in all of its wonderful forms again. I had a wonderful time. I'll see you next time, partner, on The Joy of Thinking.
Come to me, baby. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Anyhow, get in my belly.
Oh, hi partner. This for my Valentine? No. This is all research and development.